Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skylanders Imaginators on your personal computer without the need for a physical portal of power. Many fans want to revisit this fantastic game, and it's entirely possible to do so digitally. We'll walk through the simple steps to get everything running smoothly, allowing you to dive back into the Skylands with ease. Get ready to embark on an epic adventure right from your desktop. To begin, you'll need to download a reliable console emulator that supports the game. There are several excellent options available, so choose one that fits your system. After installing the emulator, make sure your computer has at least 8 GB of RAM and a decent graphics card for the best experience. Next, you'll need to obtain the Skylanders Imaginators game file, which is essential for the emulator to run the game. Since you won't be using a physical portal, you'll manage your Skylanders characters virtually. This involves using character save files or digital character data directly within the emulator's settings. These files effectively tell the game which Skylanders you have available, allowing you to switch them out just like with physical toys. Don't forget to set up your game controller or keyboard for comfortable and responsive gameplay. With your emulator and game set up, you are now ready to dive into the incredible world of Skylanders Imaginators. You can create your unique Imaginator, explore every corner of the Skylands, and complete all the exciting missions and challenges. Playing on PC offers fantastic flexibility, letting you enjoy this beloved adventure whenever you wish, without needing any extra physical accessories. Have fun, Portal Master.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.